A motorbike and a car collided in a crash on a road near Bradford this afternoon. The crash happened at the junction of Hollins Hill and Park Road in Guiseley just before 4 p.m. A spokesperson for West Yorkshire Police said, "This was a collision involving a car and a motorbike which was reported at 3:48 p.m. today. The air ambulance and other paramedic resources were sent to the scene. No additional information is yet available." Updates to be added on our YouTube and Facebook pages.